This product copy appeared on the brand site and a retailer. Across 1,851 cited sources, only 2.8% were the tested brand's own page. Welcome to SEO Francisco. I'm Francisco. I've worked in SEO for more than 15 years, including more than 7 as SEO lead at Shopify, more than 4 at Pornhub, and with multinationals through my agency, Growing Search. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to audit 4 product page layers that can affect attribution. First, separate the recommendation from the citation. A shopper may see your product named while the supporting link goes to a publisher or marketplace. In the study's workbook, a tested brand's own page earned a link in only 50 of 159 cited or recommended cases. That is about 31%. A mention can build awareness, but the link source has the opportunity to earn the visit and frame the evidence. One blended visibility score would hide that loss. Before we diagnose it, one warning. This study is observational. It does not show that duplicate copy caused a publisher citation, and it found no duplicate content penalty. Publishers may win because they compare several products, have stronger links, or provide independent testing. The study reports about 20% external duplication. The public workbook does not expose one denominator that reproduces that number. Treat that figure as author reported. We are testing a risk model, not claiming a cause. Layer 1 is the page people and crawlers can reach. Do not judge it from Shopify's description field alone. In the clean raw response subset, 27 of 173 stores met the study's thin definition. That is 15.6%, and it is not a universal Shopify rate. Google can render JavaScript, while some crawlers may not. Check the visible page, the server response, and the rendered result separately. If the product facts appear only after a client-side interaction, record that dependency instead of assuming every retrieval system sees the same page. Layer 2 is syndication. Take one distinctive sentence from a high-intent product and search it in quotation marks. Record every retailer, marketplace, affiliate, and publisher that repeats it. The common pattern in the study's receipts was a brand's own copy moving through sales channels. That creates attribution ambiguity without proving a penalty. Make a copy of the evidence before changing the page. Then mark which versions came from your feed and which pages added original reviews or comparisons. Those are different source relationships. Layer 3 is the structured description. In the measurable subset, 102 of 173 structured descriptions were empty or under 50 words. That does not prove an answer engine gives this field special weight. It does show a weak machine-readable summary beside richer visible content. Put verified product facts in accessible HTML, then align the JSON-LD description with those same facts. Use compatibility limits, materials, sizing logic, care and observe constraints. Rephrasing generic manufacturer copy gives you new wording without new evidence. Layer 4 is the outcome. Track absent, mentioned, recommended, and cited separately. Save the domain that receives each link. The 9.5% Google headline includes 6 cases that were only mentions. The combined citation and recommendation total was 53 of 620 checks, or 8.55%. If your dashboard merges those states, it cannot tell you who owns the citation. Add the engine, prompt, locale, account state, and date, because an answer can rotate even when the product page stays unchanged. Now turn the audit into a test. Select 50 to 100 stable products and keep an unchanged comparison group. Match them by product type, demand, price range, retailer exposure, and current organic visibility. For the treatment group, add evidence a retailer feed cannot own, such as compatibility limits, sizing logic, care guidance, testing observations, and real buyer questions. Align the visible copy, server response, product feed, and structured description. Keep price, promotions, and major template changes as stable as practical. Run the same discovery, comparison, and validation prompts for at least 30 days. Record mentions, recommendations, citations to your own pages, and third-party citations in separate columns. A lift in citations to your own pages supports another test. No change is useful evidence too. Independent reviews, links, entity history, query intent, or retrieval coverage may explain more than copy uniqueness. Document the change in this product set instead of turning it into a universal rule. This is an attribution experiment, not a guaranteed AI citation tactic. Use this 4-layer audit. Check the page, build a syndication map, align the product schema description, and measure citation ownership. Start with products tied to real buying questions, not the entire catalog. The full workbook analysis and test template are linked in the article. Leave your answer in the comments. Is your product copy unique to your store, or does every retailer carry the same paragraph? Then subscribe to SEO Francisco for the next evidence-led search audit.